So here we go, we're gonna do a quick unboxing here. And this is the Carmina. Let's see what we got here. Cordovan. This is the Armangac color. It's very nice. And toe plates. So good. For the shoe. Super smooth. So, worth the wait. Super excited. And my free thing of Cordovan cream in neutral. So here we are. So this is the 80414 in suede with a toe mirror sole. And here is the 80414, excuse me, 80414 in Armangac shell Cordovan with a leather sole, JR sole. You look at the suede versus the shell Cordovan, they're both casual leathers. They both have really solid looks and can pretty much be dressed up or dressed down as you like it.